Okay, time for another quick video all about batteries. If you have questions about batteries, what you should get, what you should keep, whatever it is, I'm going to go over some quick options and maybe explain a little bit to help you make that choice. I've gone through a few myself, so that's what I'm going to pass this knowledge on to you. Not that I have a lot of knowledge, but I kind of did some research. So anyway, quick video on this, and coming right now. Okay, no shave November and December continues at work. That's why I'm growing this luxurious white beard. I've come a long way from my first video, which showing around here or something like that, which is about a year ago. I've done a lot to this bike in a year. I've had no hair, now I got hair, so things keep changing. So does this bike. As this bike evolves, so will I, for better or worse. So let's go over some batteries and let's talk about them. Basically, what we're going to be talking about is your stock Harley battery. Probably what the best AGM on the market is, especially if you have electronics, and pretty much the top of the line lithium. So those are your three choices. So real quick, if you have a base sound system on here, and or you upgrade a little bit, you have Rockford Fosgate or the what Harley gives you, whatever it is. If you're keeping it pretty simple and under like 1,000 watts, probably under 800 watts, you're okay with that stock Harley battery. Actually, Harley makes a pretty good battery. You're not going to hear me talk about Harley parts in a positive too much. Batteries, they do pretty good. So the Harley stock AGM, let's weigh it real quick. Harley stock AGM comes in at 20.2 pounds. A lot of weight and a little battery. So, for argument's sake, the Stinger AGM comes in at 18.6 pounds. A little bit lighter, a lot more powerful, and we'll discuss that in a second. The Limitless, whoops, one hand. Limitless comes in at 9.4 pounds. Okay, so there you have it. 20-pound range, 18-pound range, 9-pound range. One hand. A lot easier taking it in and out of the bike, but you're going to pay the price. Let's talk about that real quick. Your Harley AGM, like I said, it's good battery as long as you don't have extras on here, like your crazy sound systems. If you don't have extras, you could go with the Harley Lithium, which probably weighs around 7 pounds, 8 pounds, somewhere around there. I think it only has 8 amp hours, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, super powerful, much more powerful than the Harley AGM. Your bike will start like that. But it's not good if you have sound systems on here that pull a lot of wattage. If you upgraded your sound system and you want to stay AGM, AGM is a very stable battery, good battery. These Stingers are excellent. Stinger HD, this model is the SVT30L. Great battery, great AGM. Now the problem is this, don't do what I did. I got it from online. I actually got two models. The first model I got from Amazon, the second from eBay. Both of them, they have enough wattage when you're sitting there. Oh, I'm sorry, voltage. When it's sitting there, they both sit at around 12.3 or something like that. But they're kind of tired. The first one was very tired. My bike was like ying, ying, ying. That's a great sound effect, by the way. First one would barely start. So I switched to this second Stinger. Still sounds tired. When I did a load test on it, it wasn't completely dead. I mean tired, but it was better. So if you're going to get it from a local place. Get it from somebody you could trust that's a fresh battery. These have probably been sitting around too long. So I didn't like the fact that it would start out slow like that. Plus I have a 1200 watt amp on here and 6 speakers and a tweeter. I have 8-inch, I'll show you in the back. I have these 8 inches in the back, Hertz Neo SVL 200s. I have the 35 tweeters, also Neos, and I have 4 in the upper and lower fairings that are both Hertz Neos, all 4 Neos. So anyway, I have 1200 watts right now. I'm probably going to upgrade again. This is my 3rd amp. I'm probably going to upgrade again and go with 2 800 watt amps running the front and back, or a 12 and an 8. I'm not sure how I'm going to configure it. I got to see what I can squeeze in there. So that being said, and the fact that I'm going to upgrade and I want my bike to start like that, I upgraded to the Limitless Nano HD. A lot more expensive than these. These are pretty comparable in price. This is about 300, this is about 200. The lithium is probably in that range, and then you go up to this model here. What's great about the Limitless, it has a BMS. I wish it wasn't upside down. Let me turn it around. It has a BMS, which is a battery management system. Lithiums can be unstable. Limitless is an excellent brand, and the battery management system makes sure it stays stable, so you don't have to worry about anything. When I hook this up, woof, bam, it starts right away. As soon as you hit that button, boom, like that sound effect. If you like that sound effect, hit the like and subscribe button. That's my way of giving you a present. So anyway, the Limitless starts right up. Love it. Plus the fact that I have 1200, plus I have an alarm system I'm putting in today, and a lot of extra lights and strobes and everything you can imagine on here. So I have all that. So plus the chance I'm probably going to upgrade to over 2000 watts. I went with a higher, the better quality, best quality battery. Love it. Those are the differences. Again, just to recap, the Harley stock is great if you're keeping close to stock with a basic sound system. You're not going to have a problem. But you're going to deprive the amp of the power it needs if you stay basic. Have basic, get basic, stay basic. I don't know if that's, I can make a bumper sticker for that. So anyway, stock AGM is fine for that. The lithium Harley, good battery, but again, stay stock. Then go up to the Stinger HD, then the Limitless. If you stay, those are the pretty much ranges. There are other batteries. You could probably get, now I haven't done any research on it, but the kind they sell at Batteries Plus, the, I'm trying to blank on the name. It's their brand. They have a Harley brand. It's somewhere in between the top of the line lithium and AGM. It's like right in the middle. It should be enough for probably 1500 watts around there. Again, I'm just basing on what I've heard. I can't, those aren't concrete numbers. Do your own research. So if you want to stay in, if you want to get a lithium, make sure you stay, and you want to go cheaper, go with that brand. I cannot believe I forgot the name of it. I'll put the little graphic here when I figure it out. So that's the way to do it. The only other thing is, if you have an AGM and you switch to a lithium, you need a lithium charger. You can't hook up your tender to this, so you need a separate one. This Limitless came with one. And the way, one last thing, the difference between lithium and AGMs, when an AGM battery goes bad, you hear it. It starts to get weak. It's not producing as much. It'll still start on you, but you'll hear like, oh shit, my battery's about to go dead. You'll know. Same thing with a car battery. With a lithium, you're gonna get full power until it decides I'm done, and then you go to start it, nothing. So that's the downfall. So you need to hook up the tender to it, the charger like once a month around there, depending on use and all that. So that's it. Basically, it's a little difference in the tenders. Lithium, I love it so far. Do what you got to do. Do what works for you. You have any questions, put it down below. And hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. And that's about it. So quick review on the batteries. And I'm going to install my security system now. New video coming up. Ride safe until then. See you on the next one. Okay, one more time on the start.
See how it starts.